What's up there, you sweet little dilds? I don't know why that's sweet. It's a smoky day here today. The air quality has taken a drastic turn for the worst. Combine that with 100-degree temperatures forecasted, and it's going to be a doozy. We're basically being smoked like meats. I don't know what kind of meats, but if you needed me in a survival situation, I would be delicious. Typewriter Series number 437 today. And today's a little different. Here's your wee paper. Looks like it was stolen from a Holiday Inn again, probably. Sometimes I just write poems that are just little observations of the world around me. Because I'm always curious and I'm always observing. Here's your poem. I saw the sunlight through the rainfall below the trees on the quiet city street. The drops big enough to splash back up and create little drops, all their own. Simple moment of a simple life. I love you a lot. Have the coolest day, maybe of your whole life today. Just do that. And if you do that, tell me about it and tell me what made it cool. I love you a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.